How can people move heavy things without super strength? The answer is simple machines. A force is a push or a pull, and work happens when a force moves something. Simple machines make work easier by changing the amount of force needed or the direction of the force. First is the lever. A lever is a stiff bar that turns around a point called a fulcrum. A seesaw is a lever. When one side goes down, the other side goes up. If you sit farther from the middle, it becomes easier to lift someone on the other side because you get more turning power. A lever can reduce the force needed to lift something. Next is the wheel and axle. A doorknob is a great example. The round knob is the wheel, and the rod inside is the axle. Turning the large knob is much easier than trying to twist the tiny rod by itself. The wheel and axle helps reduce the amount of force needed. Now think about a pulley. A pulley is a wheel with a rope around it. At a flagpole, pulling down on the rope lifts the flag up. The pulley changes the direction of force. An inclined plane is a ramp. Instead of lifting a heavy box straight up, you can push it up a ramp with less force. The trade-off is that you move it a longer distance. A wedge is like two ramps stuck together. An axe is a wedge. When the axe moves forward into wood, the wedge shape pushes the wood apart sideways. Finally, a screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder. A jar lid uses screw threads. Twisting the lid moves it up or down and helps seal the jar tightly. All 6 simple machines make work easier by changing force.